Welcome to this pool repair kit instruction video. Step 1. Lay all parts on the ground next to your pool. Step 2. Thread the rope behind each of the pool's vertical legs. Step 3. Thread the rope through the empty end of the tightener. Pull it through and tie the ends of the rope into a secure knot. Step 4. Place a rope holder around each vertical leg's base. Ensure the rope holder openings face towards the pool liner. Step 5. Thread the rope through the bottom opening of each rope holder. Step 6. Once finished, pull and fasten the remaining rope through the tightener. Step 7. The ripe around the pool should be taut through each rope holder. Press the sides of each rope holder to minimize gaps with the vertical leg. Step 8. Secure any remaining rope with a tight knot. And cut away any excess rope. Step 9. Carefully use the cutter provided to cut open the liner belt. Be careful. Do not puncture the liner and keep the cutter away from children. Step 10. Remove the liner belt away from the pool. Your pool is now repaired and ready for use.